Hello students, welcome back to linear equation only. So in first video we have done question number first to 13. Now I'm going to start the question number 15 in this video. Okay, so let's complete this exercise of this session. Okay, so question number 15 is the length of rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 centimeters. If the length is decreased by 4 and breadth is increased by 3, the area of new rectangle is same as the area of original rectangle. Find the length and breadth of original rectangle. Okay. Length of rectangle exceed its breadth by 7. This is the question. So what we will do in this? Length is exceeds the breadth by 7. You have to take length first of all as x. Okay. So let's start. Question number 15. Length exceeded breadth, no? So let's take breadth bx. Let breadth be x centimeter. Okay. And length will be x plus 7 because it is given in the question only that length exceeds its breadth by 7. So length will be x plus 7 centimeter. Area. Area of rectangle. X into x plus 7. This will be area because you know very well that area is length into breadth. So x into x plus 7. And after area you have to put centimeter square. Okay, you know very well. So let's solve this. What is told to you in this question next? That the area of new rectangle is same the area of original rectangle when length is decreased by 4 and breadth is increased by 4. Okay, let's decrease the length. Length which was x plus 7, right? Now just decrease it with 4. It will be x plus 7 minus 4 is 3. So x plus 3. And breadth is, and the breadth is increased by 3. Breadth was x. It will be x plus 3. Okay. So area of new rectangle will be area of new rectangle. It is given to you. That is, length is x plus 3, breadth is x plus 3. X plus 3 into x plus 3 centimeter square. Now in question only it is given that both the areas are equal. Just put them equal. I'm going to do over here. See, first area was x into x plus 7. Second area will be x plus 3. X plus 3 will be x plus 3 square. Okay, just multiply it. X into x square. X into 7, 7x. X plus 3 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now x square when will go this side, no, it will be cancelled. Yeah, so I'm going to cancel over here only. 6x will go that side, 7x minus 6x is equals to 9. Value of x will be 9. So value of x is 9, no? Now, if breadth is 9 centimeters, because x was breadth, so what will be length? Length will be x plus 7. That is 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 will be 16 centimeter. Answer. That's it. Clear everyone? This was question number 15. Now next question is question number 17 I'm going to do for you. See everyone. What's the question? Question is the altitude of triangle is 5/3 the length of its corresponding base. Okay. If the altitude b increased by 4 and base decreased by 2, the area of triangle remains the same and the base and altitude of the triangle. Okay. Altitude of triangle is 5/3 the length of base, no? So let's take base first. Okay. Let the base be x. Question number 17. Okay. Base be x. let base of triangle is x. Okay. Now altitude is given to you, that 5/3 of base, right? Altitude. So altitude will be 5 by 3x. Okay. Now area of the triangle. As you know very well, what is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. Height means altitude. Half into, what is base over here? X. Height will be 5 by 3x. Okay, just solve it. When you will solve now, 5 into x will be 5x square. 3 into 2, 6. 5 upon 6x square will be the answer, right? So this is the area of triangle. Now, according to the question, let's see. Altitude be increased by 4, base be decreased by 2. Okay. Altitude increased by 4. Okay. Now, new length, new base and altitude. New altitude will be, new altitude. It is increased by 4 now. It will be 5 by 3 x plus 4. Okay. And base is decreased by 2 now. So, base will be x minus 2. Okay. Now, what will be the area? Half into base into height, right? So, area will be half into base is x minus 2 and height is 5 by 3x plus 4. Students, first of all, base is given. You have to take, let base be x. Altitude is given, that is 5 by 3 of base, that is 5 by 3x. So, the area will be half into base into height. Now, the altitude and base are changed. Altitude is increased by 4, base is decreased by 2. So, area will be half into base into height only. Just solve it. When you will solve it now, half into base into height. It will be, it is given in the question that both the areas are equal. The area of triangle remains the same. Both the areas are equal now. So I'm going to put them equal before solving because it will be easy for us to solve it. Huh? So I'm going to put them equal. Here. Areas are same now. So half into x minus 2 into 5 by 3 x plus 4 is equals to 5 by 6 x square. Okay, both are equal. So what we can do, just solve it. How we will solve? Half will go that side. Left of the part will remain same. Half will go that side. It will be 5 by 3, 5 by 6. 1 by 2 will be 2 by 1 x square. So you can cancel. It will be 5 by 3 x square. 5 by 3 x square. Okay, now just solve this. How we will solve it? What we should do? We can do anything. Yes. What we can do? Just multiply it. X will be multiplied with this complete number and minus 2 will be multiplied with this complete number. Okay. X will be multiplied with this now. 5 by 3 x square plus 4x. Minus 2 will be multiplied. It will be minus 10 by 3 x minus plus minus 4 to the 8 is equals to. Now just solve it. How you will solve? See, 5 by 3x square, 5 by 3x square. When this 5 by 3 will come this side, no, it will be cancelled. Clear? Because it will be minus 5 by 3 and plus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 will be 0 only. Okay. So this now the situation is 4x minus 10x by 3 is it minus 8 is equals to 0. Minus 8 will go that side and it will be plus 8. With 0 it will be plus 8. Now just solve it. Just take the LCM. 4 3 is 12x minus 10x is equals to 8. It will be 2x by 3 is equals to 8. X will be 8 into 3 by 2. That will be 12. So x is 12. So this is the value of x. All you have to do is the transposing only, and you know very well how to transpose. You just must understand this concept only, that if base and altitude is given, the area of triangle is half into base into height. When base and altitude is changed, the area of triangle will be half into base into height. Both the areas are equal, you can put them equal like this. Here I have taken. Okay, clear everyone? Yes or no? So if base of triangle is 12, altitude will be 5 by 3 into 12. It will be 5 by 3 into 12 will be 20 meters. Clear everyone? Just see it once. You can pause the video and clear the concept. Okay?